In this video, I will clean my car from outside and inside. You can see that it's a little dirty, not that much. First, we gotta get all the trash, like water bottles, face mask, off the car so we can vacuum it. And then we get the car mats out so we can wash them with water and soap. We get the vacuum so we can get started. If the vacuum cable doesn't reach the plug, we just get an extension so it can reach. I decided to do it today because the weather is not bad at all. It's 77 degrees, so it's pretty nice. Turn the vacuum on. And start vacuuming. We should make sure to vacuum the middle part, especially all these cooties. And then we vacuum the seats, especially in these high parts. There's a lot of dirt in there. We should also vacuum under the seats because that's where most dirt falls in. So we just get the vacuum and try to reach the whole bottom of the front seat and the passenger seat. As you can see, there's some french fries there. And now we clean inside the trunk. So once we finish vacuuming the whole car, front, back, and inside the trunk, we just get the towel and the liquid to clean this surface and make it shine, and we'll start it. So this part is pretty simple. We just start spraying this part of the car, right? And then we get the towel and rub it around. Make sure to clean the middle part. You guys can see as I clean it, it gets really shiny. It looks very clean. The bottom panels. This part right here gets dirty because we always grab it with a hand, with our dirty hands. Pass the towel with the door handle, the panels, the drink holder. Okay, so once we finish cleaning the whole interior of the car, we can see that it's really clean now. I cleaned the back seat covers, front seats, all the surface of the car, the wheel, the doors. It got pretty sunny now, so it's perfect to wash our car from the outside, because this is the part we have to do now. So first we just get the bucket with all the utensils, the soap, and now we have to get the hose ready too. We connect the hose. Now that we water the car, we should water our car mats too. Water the back of the car too. All the windows. Since it is a small car, we're not gonna need a lot of soap. So we just have a little bit of soap for the mix. And then we start putting water in it. We put our towel inside the soap, mix of soap with water. And now we just start rubbing it all around the car. Where the headlights are, in the middle. Now with the brush, we start putting soap on our car mats. Now that the car mats are all clean, we just keep putting soap on our car, all the windows, especially these bird poops. Door handles, the rims of the car, the tires. Now we just take off all the soap with the water. Take off the soap from the windows, from the top. And we should take the soap quick before the sun gets it dry, because if the soap gets dry, it can damage the color of the car. Now that we finished taking all the soap off the car, we put the hose where it goes. Make sure it's closed, right? And then take it off. So now we get a clean towel to dry out the car, because if we don't dry it, the sun, like I told before, might damage the color and the paint of the car. So yeah, dry all the parts, the back part, lights, and you can see that it looks shining. It's shining. Now that we finished washing the entire car, we're gonna put the car mats inside. Hopefully, if they are dry, we just put them where they go. You can see how clean it looks now. You don't have to do this, but I like to put this fragrance in the car. It gives a really good smell for a couple weeks. So I will highly recommend it to hang it here, and gives a really good smell to the car. The water left, we can throw it to the plant. And that's it. This is how I clean my car. I know some people go more deep into it and they do a deeper cleaning, but this is the way I do it. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.